Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin yan is Jesus the Promised Seed. So, Jesus as the Promised Seed fulfills God's first gospel word in Genesis chapter 3 verse 15. From the moment humanity fell, God announced a Savior who would crush the serpent's power and restore what sin destroyed. Jesus is that victorious seed, born in humility yet destined for triumph. Not only that he is the seed of the woman, but he is also the seed of Abraham and the seed of David. His coming proves that God keeps his promises and that redemption was always his plan from the very beginning. So, ayon po sa Genesis chapter 3 verse 15, and I will put enmity between you and the woman, and between your offspring and hers. He will crush your head, and you will strike his heel. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, Jesus is the seed of the woman. So, ibig sabihin nito, na si Jesus ang pinangakong tagapagligtas mula pa noong Genesis chapter 3 verse 15. Siya ang dating na para tumalon sa serpent. Siya ang magtatagumpay laban sa kasalanan at kasamaan. So in short, from the very beginning, si Jesus na talaga ang plan ni God para iligtas tayo. And Jesus is the seed of Abraham. So, ipinangako ng Diyos kay Abraham na sa pamamagitan ng kanyang seed ay pagpapalain ang lahat ng nations. Si Jesus ang katuparan ng pangakong ito. Next is Jesus is the seed of David. So, sa linya ni Haring David, nanggaling ang Mesiyas. Si Jesus ang tunay at eternal King na maghahari ng makatarungan at mapayapa. So, Jesus is the promised King. Hindi basta earthly King, kundi King forever. And sa applications naman po, aim to be a herald of King Jesus. So, kung si Jesus ang promised King, responsibilidad natin na i-proclaim siya. So, practice, share the gospel, show his character, and stand for his truth sa pamilya, school, or workplace, and contribute to the defeat of evil and darkness. And you be a blessing just as you have been blessed. And dahil lang po, maraming salamat.